Do you want to block or ignore all calls on your iPhone without turning on airplane mode? I'll show you how to do it easily. Let's start. Before you do anything, open Contact. Tap plus icon. Just pick a random name like Jack, for example. Tap Add Phone. Enter your number. Tap Done. Now open Phone app. Tap Favorite. Here, remove every other number if you have after that. Tap the plus icon to add. Find the last saved number, which was yours. I'll type Jack. Tap Call. Select Mobile. Next, set, ignore, or block all the contact on iPhone. Open Setting. Scroll down. Find Out Focus. Tap plus icon. Tap Custom. Type Ignores all calls. Tap Next. Tap Customize Focus. Tap Choose People under the silence notification. Tap Next. Now select Favorite. Tap Done. After when you're done with this, go back, swipe down from the top. Tap Focus. Here, find out Ignore All Call option. Enable this option. You can always turn it off if you want from here, if you want to start to have call from everyone on iPhone. And that's how you block or ignore all calls on your iPhone. If this video helped, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.